Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add shipping address on your Shein app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, so just go down here, you click here on me here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now, so just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window or settings window. Then you just click here on address book, then it's going to take you here in this window. You click here on add a shipping address, then it's going to take you here to next window. So just switch into show for you like this, and here you add your country. Here my country is Morocco. You add your country, add your name, and your name family or your last name. So in here you can add your phone number, and here you add your address. So and when you're down, you click here on save here or add, and it's going to add with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.